Introducing the new V-TUF Mammoth Xlr, an industrial wet and dry vacuum cleaner that's been designed and built to perform and endure in industrial cleaning environments. Its three fundamental features are cleaning performance, robust design, and ongoing economic serviceability. Disposal of electric goods is a massive issue. The main reasons resulting in their disposal is due to the whole machine deteriorating or uneconomical repair. The Mammoth Xlr is robust and uses industry standard componentry such as motors, switches, supply cables, suction hose, wands, accessories. Servicing is made quick and easy. 5 screws give you access to the supply cable and the switch circuit. A further 6 screws give you access to the motor circuit, and a further single screw gives you access to the motors themselves. Cleaning performance is essential for tackling those difficult cleaning tasks. The Mammoth Xlr is equipped with multiple twin turbine bypass motors, offering additional power as required. It has a 110 litre tank. It has an auto float level shutoff to protect the motors when the tank is full of liquid. When the tank is full, the liquid can be drained either through a drain hose or a cap on the back. The long hose and supply cable give you a fantastic 26 metre cleaning range. It also comes with a fantastic range of cleaning accessories which help you perform a diverse range of cleaning tasks. The V-TUF Mammoth Xlr has been built tough to withstand the knocks of industrial cleaning life. The large rear wheels are great for rough terrain and steps. These act as a bumper to protect the base and the drain hose when mounting curbs, etc. The integral bumper handle is designed to work in conjunction with the rear wheels to protect the power supply cable, the head and the drain hose from accidental damage. The single form rotor molded tank, chassis and handle eliminate weak joints and fixings. The recessed spring steel clips provide a firm seal and are protected from side impact. The entire width of the chassis saddles a single rear axle to provide maximum support and eliminate strain on the fixings. The direct hardwired electric circuit has no printed circuit boards, thus delivering reliable power distribution. The Mammoth Xlr has been built to perform a wide range of cleaning tasks, from gutter cleaning, unblocking drains, flood restoration, property, transport, automotive cleaning. It's also great for cleaning large areas like fake grass and AstroTurf sports pitches. Thank you for your time.